चमचा एंड चमची.
मैं हूँ चमचा, ये है काटा.
Hi guys, welcome back to
my channel.
Feels Like a Podcast. I really like
It's
the
cozy
vibes.
setup.
रुक जाओ, मेरे को मेरे बाल फिक्स करना है because then everybody tells me कि मैं बहुत अपने बालों को फिजिट कर रही हूँ. ऐसे ही रखूँ क्या?
I think तो कितना भी कर ले fixed, वो एक
Habit है
unnecessary
मेरा.
habit है.
First of all, thank you so much for all the love on
Yes, guys.
the last video. We didn't expect this level.
Much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys,
Yeah,
for all
and
the lovely wishes.
We've seen the messages, the comments, the edits, like everything, and it's very, very cute. So thank you. And second, I'm very, very sorry about the auto dub situation in the last video because I started panicking when I saw your comments and they're like, what is happening and why can't we hear the audio? So I turned it off. I didn't know that I was supposed to turn it off. Like you have to, YouTube should ask me, before turning it on. They just automatically turned it on for all my videos. So I've turned it off and hopefully this video is fine. But I was actually thinking to do a normal vlog and I answer like a question in the end of every vlog. But considering curiosities,
The amount of questions that
yeah,
you guys have.
I thought I would do a sit down proper like question answer type of thing. मैंने actually बहुत ज़्यादा screenshot किए हैं. Now
मैंने अभी देखा है, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है और मैं देख के
I just realized मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा screenshot किए हैं. इतने I don't think हम answer कर भी पाएंगे. But we will try and keep the answers short. I don't think so. But let's see. We'll start the video with a big question. When is the wedding?
So the wedding is on.
Dun, da, da, da. ये क्या था?
कुछ भी आवाज कर रहा था मैं तो बस, क्योंकि मुझे बताना नहीं थी ना डेट.
क्या गया नहीं है क्या?
नहीं यार, डेट कर रहा मेरे को.
हम डेट नहीं बता सकते गाइस,
नहीं.
थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा. We actually have good news. And somebody was like, please don't keep us waiting for like 2 years and all. I'm sorry, no. We are actually getting married this year.
It's very hard to believe, but yes, it is true.
I don't think even I will believe it. I will believe it when it happens, like I'm that type of person. Before any trip also, before anything, like till I reach the place, the preparations and all don't make me feel like it's actually happening. But I think that moment will,
Yes, I think
I mean, in that moment if I don't feel it, then
that will
it's
be a problem.
concerning.
But I think मैं थोड़ा opposite हूँ. मैं तो रोज खुश हो रहा हूँ कि शादी है. वैसा ही सीधा.
Oh, why did you choose white color for the proposal? I actually just chose an outfit and I had no idea. I even didn't know that Addy would match me because I thought he was going to wear black or something. And then
I really wanted to go for something like a black shirt and a black pant. But then when I saw your outfit and खुशी ने भी थोड़ा मेरे को हेल्प किया कि वो white
should
सोच
be
रही है.
matching.
And तो फिर मैंने बोला कि चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं भी white का कुछ मतलब white लेके आता हूँ बस.
Oh, are you gonna get a new house together after wedding? Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. जी हाँ.
हाँ जी.
सही जवाब.
10 on 10.
7 करोड़.
What are you most excited about in the wedding planning journey?
I am so excited in the whole process. ऐसा कुछ एक particular चीज नहीं है जिसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा excited हूँ. But मैं इसलिए excited हूँ to like have a good time with my family and close friends. And हम दोनों के घर की first wedding है देखा जाए तो.
Yes.
तो
वाह वाह राम जी जोड़ी के पन्ना.
इसलिए मेरे लिए बहुत मतलब as a
Addy पता है
कार्निवल की
excited
तरह
किसके
होगा
लिए
कि
है?
मेरे दोस्त
Addy
हैं.
excited है for संगीत.
संगीत के लिए तो मैं बिल्कुल एक्साइटेड नहीं हूँ. ना मैं कोई परफॉर्मेंस करने वाला हूँ, ना मैं कुछ करने वाला हूँ. मतलब ये कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे समझ नहीं आता है. मेरी शादी में मैं ही नाच के दिखाऊं लोगों को. भाई कुछ क्या मैं वैसे ही नाचा किसी के लिए? मैं अपनी शादी में मैं ही नाच के दिखाऊं तो वो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो
बहुत funny.
आई थिंक सारे नाचेंगे और मैं आराम से बैठ के देखूंगा. वो मैंने प्लान करा है.
हाँ, he has cleared it पहले होनी के I am not doing any performances. Please spare me the horror.
तू आंसर करना सेम चीज का. What are you excited about the most ऐसा?
Again, like I said, when I'm planning, I'm usually stressed. Whatever I'm planning, I am usually stressed.
That's very true.
And I want things pre-planned because I don't want to be stressed on the day. You're understanding? Like I want to make sure everything is planned beforehand. My stamp of approval is given beforehand so that on the day I'm not like coordinating with people or running around or asking is this done or that done or following up, and like that type of stress I don't want. Those days will only be just like living in the moment, enjoying, because from what I have heard, the days go by really quickly.
Yes.
And like you spend so much time preparing, but the actual days that you're preparing for since so long go by really fast. And then you only have pictures and videos to look back at. So those days I'm going to be living in the moment, hopefully, guys. Will it be a huge wedding or sweet and simple and cute?
Sweet and simple and cute.
That's what it's going to be. From the very beginning, we knew we're not doing a very big wedding, like a big Indian wedding. Not a lot of people. We wanted it to be very intimate.
Yes.
And we've put in a lot of time and thought into figuring who will be there, because we want people that are genuinely like happy for us.
Yeah.
And we know the people that we are calling family to hai, of course, but when it comes to friends also, even I know a lot of his friends and he knows a lot of my friends, and he's met everyone, I have met everyone.
Yes.
And we feel like we're going to be surrounded by a lot of love and just people that are going to enjoy themselves
and will actually be happy for us.
And be happy for us, and we won't feel out of place. Like I feel like that is very important, and we've made sure that it's going to just be cute and small and simple. Good question. What do you do to protect energy in spaces where you feel jealousy is silently brewing? Again, we just spoke about it, but we make sure that we don't, like I in the past few years have spent time with people that actually make me feel good about myself, and that was just like a
conscious decision.
Yeah. And if you spend time with someone and you come back home feeling drained, you come back home not feeling good, that's a sign. So we've consciously made an effort to spend time with people that we feel good around, and that's why it's been easy for us to decide who will come to the wedding.
Yes.
So yeah, next question. A Taylor Swift song that fits your love story. बताओ आदि.
बताओ क्या मतलब मैं
Answer the question.
मैं कोई वो लेके बैठा हूँ नाम उसके सारे गानों का.
I think तूने मुझे
I think American Dream ऐसा कुछ क्या था वो गाना, कौन सा था? नहीं American Dream नहीं यार, कुछ तो था ना. High School क्या था वो?
No. No. तूने मुझे एक बार पूछा था and मैंने तुझे प्ले करके सुनाया था.
One word गाना है वो. नहीं आया भाई अपने. On the beach है इसमें. And I know I make the same mistakes every time, which is when I never learned. At least I did one thing right. I did one thing right. That's right. कुछ है क्या गाने का नाम? क्या था यार, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा यार.
It's Call It What You Want.
My baby.
आपको मिलते हैं 0 points. What is something you enjoy doing as a couple?
I think मेरा पूरा दिन का हाईलाइट बेस्ट पार्ट ये होता है, चाहे हम कुछ भी हो, साथ में हो, बेड पे बैठे हो, टीवी देख रहे हो, गाड़ी में कहीं जा रहे हो, 10-5 हंसी मजाक हो रहा हो, बात कर रहे हो, मेरे को इससे बढ़िया कुछ लगता नहीं है. So
I don't think ऐसे कुछ high demands हैं हमारी as
sports. हम कभी खेलते वेलते हैं साथ में जाके, तो मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है.
One of the top questions that I've gotten is this one. When did you realize that Addie is the one for you? I don't know if everyone will like my answer. It's not a lovey-dovey kind of answer. There was no one moment. And I feel like because we got to spend so much time together and we've been dating for so many years, for me, it's gotten like our relationship or our connect with each other, I would say, has gotten deeper every single year. And with every year, it's gotten like stronger.
Yeah.
And there have been many situations, occasions where I've seen him like react to situations, or how he behaves, or how he talks to me, or how he handles things. So there's actually been many moments, and it's not just one. And it's like I'm saying this in the most like non cringe way possible, and I feel like you need those moments. Like you cannot just decide over one moment. And I think just seeing him, be consistent in that sense just reassured me that he's the one.
जब हम मिले थे दोस्त बने थे ऐसा, तो मैं वैसे बोलता था अच्छी लड़की है यार, मतलब ऐसी
Oh, thank
अच्छी
you,
लड़की,
that's so
मतलब
sweet.
cool and accurate
Ew.
amount of bad है थोड़ी, मतलब थोड़ा एक bad in the sense, बुरी bad नहीं, but
Means
एक होता है ना यार ऐसा savage, मतलब
okay.
accurate amount है, और
हाँ.
दिल की भी अच्छी है, लोगों की हेल्प भी करती है, और वैसा, और अपने में भी रहती है,
Oh,
किसी से
so
मतलब नहीं है, लेना
sweet.
देना नहीं है ज्यादा दुनिया से, तो मेरे को वो चीज
That's
बहुत
the
अच्छी लगी थी।
Aquarius in me. कोई मतलब नहीं
तो
है मुझे
मुझे
दुनिया
वो बहुत अच्छी
से.
लगी थी चीज, तो मैं सोचा कि why not.
Right after a very lovey-dovey question, do you guys experience arguments? I mean, should arguments be taking place in a healthy relationship?
I think of course.
ऐसे क्यों बोला तूने?
पूरे टाइम
I
कोई
think
बंदा
of course.
पूरे टाइम में प्यार प्यार ऐसे तो ना कर सकते हैं, मतलब थोड़ा डिसएग्रीमेंट तो
Is-
होगा ही, अलग इंसान है.
Disagreements, arguments हमारी बहुत होती हैं. एंड हमने अभी जस्ट शूट करने के पहले भी आर्ग्यू किया है. अभी क्वेश्चंस के बीच में भी कर रहे हैं हम करते रहते हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. Like whenever we argue, sometimes we can also fight, and the fight can also go on. But every time we have like small arguments, I just know in the back of my mind that it's
कि मेरी गलती है.
मैं अभी तक वो सोच वीडियो में ऐसे दिखाऊंगी, ऊपर गला पकड़ के, मैं क्या मेरी गलती होती है कभी भी?
ना.
मेरे को फिर से भुला दिया ना मैं क्या बोल रही थी. I had this thought once, which sometimes my own thoughts really scare me, because I'm like, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में thoughts. But one time I had this thought when we were fighting or we were arguing or something. I had seen some movie and I was like, somebody dies in the movie. And I'm like, we are spending our time arguing when we could be giggling and doing kiki before bed. But we are arguing, and this precious time we could be doing kiki. So now I don't know why automatically like our arguments just resolve faster, because I'm like, I would rather do time pass and like talk to him rather than be upset, like spend my time being upset.
But of course ऐसे कोई मेजर आर्गुमेंट होता है तो हम उसके बारे में बात भी करते हैं and उसके बारे में डिस्कस भी करते हैं.
It's all not only kiki.
Yeah, but छोटे मोटे जैसे होते हैं ना डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं जो फिर एक आर्गुमेंट में बदल जाते हैं, फिर वो आर्गुमेंट 10 सेकंड 20 सेकंड 15 सेकंड लास्ट करता है, तो फिर वो उसका जो इरिटेशन और गुस्सा भी 10-20 सेकंड ही लास्ट करता है, फिर उसके बाद हम सोच लेते हैं कि
ये एक्चुअली ना एक माइक है जो आपको बात करना है.
आई थिंक इतना अच्छा होगा ये कि इतनी दूर से भी आ जाएगा
इसमें. गाइस मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसे कर रहा है हमसे, कैसे होगा फिर? This is not part of any question. I just want to mention, if you see us doing this in public ever, because I always have this aggressive face towards Addy all the time, and I keep telling him, I'm like, if anyone only sees us in public, like without hearing what our conversation is, they will think I'm yelling at you or like I'm
वो बोलेगी
pissed at you.
लड़का टॉर्चर होता है भाई.
But I'm always talking to him like, क्यों बोला आपने
और बोल दो
आंटी?
कुछ नहीं.
And then it's like funny, but to the people it might look like I'm abusing him or something.
Yeah.
And then once we were having an argument and I didn't know what to say to him, so I just spat. And not like actually spat, but
नहीं
like
करा था इसने.
झूठा. नहीं, मैंने ऐसे किया. And that's how all are.
अभी contagious इतना था कि मेरे को भी हो गया है अबे
And
problem.
that's just, and he, first time when I did it, he was like, क्या?
बोला थूक रही है फिर मतलब क्या हो गया भाई?
But now we talk to each other, we're like, just, so all the buri nazar we are only like, it's getting late, guys. What's something silly or unexpected that's made you fall in love with each other all over again?
Something silly is जब ये मेरे से एक पर्टिकुलर टोन में या मतलब एक पर्सनल चीज है इसलिए मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रहा था बट मैं तेरे को बोल देता हूँ.
Yes, we
And
have
वो
a
सब
cute
एक
like vocabulary.
yeah, so मतलब वो एक कंफर्टेबल जो मुझे वो जो कंफर्ट वो चीज मुझे फील कराती है वो मेरी कोई पूरी दुनिया की कोई चीज फील नहीं करा सकती तो इसलिए आई थिंक that is a big reason.
What's the kindest thing that Adi has done for you? I just feel like he just is very gracious with me. Like he allows me the space to feel, to say, matlab to speak my heart out, to feel whatever I'm feeling, to sit with me in those feelings. And like he allows me a lot of space. He makes me feel safe, like I can share anything with him. And I feel like that's the kindest thing anyone can do in a relationship.
This Adi is amazing, man.
This Adi is just like a fucking asshole.
What?
Where will you and Adi stay after marriage? I don't think you can ever leave your home.
I तो think ये उस दिन को सोच के रो चुकी है एक बार शायद कि मुझे
Yes.
अपना घर नहीं छोड़ के जा रहा है.
हम एक बार डिस्कस कर रहे थे
और उससे
and
रोने लग गई,
I
आंसू निकल गए.
started crying just thinking about leaving my room and my house because I have made मैंने renovate किया है इसको अपने हाथों, not अपने हाथों से but like अपने Pinterest board से और अपने effort से यार. This room is definitely very like my space.
मेरी भी बहुत मेमोरीज हैं यार इस रूम के साथ क्योंकि हमने मतलब मैंने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया है इस रूम में.
So we're not going to discuss it right now, guys. What is one Indian wedding ritual that you guys will not do at your wedding? I actually like this question because it made me think, and even I don't know what we're not going to do.
I won't do the घोड़ी वाला bit because
that we're not doing.
I think annuals के साथ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. But main चीज ये है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें बोल दिया कि हम तुम्हें कुछ फोर्स नहीं करेंगे, हम बस बताएंगे कि ये करना चाहिए या ये करना है, ऐसे करना होता है. उसका कौन सा वेरिएशन तुम्हें करना है, कैसे करना है, वो सब तुम करो अपने हिसाब से. So that is a very like big support from them and big उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी डील है ना. ऑफ कोर्स उनके भी बच्चे हैं, पहली शादी हो रही है, वो उन्होंने भी 10 ख्वाब देखे होंगे कि ऐसे करेंगे हम, वैसे करेंगे, वो करेंगे वो.
But I'm very curious about this. Is there anyone that's skipped any tradition that I should know of? I mean, you guys know me. Let me know in the comments, please. What advice would you give your younger self now that you know about love and relationships?
अगर मैं younger self को बोलता तो यही बोलता कि don't lose yourself for anybody else and तुझे तेरा जीवन साथी मिल जाएगा 2019 के बाद. तो मैं स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइफ जीता अपनी. That's all.
I would say
तेरे को बोलना चाहिए I deserve so much better and I think I'll find the one very soon. Handsome boy from Delhi. Very kind, very loving and love you Vinny, but it's crazy. He should be
liking Szechuan sauce. My approach in relationships only was to kind of mold myself so that the person likes me, and I just have to, like, if I could tell myself, I would tell myself this only, that the person should just like you as you are and you don't have to change yourself or change what you like or what you don't like for that person specifically.
Is it your love marriage? No, guys. God ने arrange करके दिया था.
किसी ने ये भी पूछा था, have you guys kissed? हम बस 4 साल से आई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं.
हाथ टच हुआ था गलती से तो.
Sorry. I'm sorry. It's been raining all day and now we're filming this at 11 in the night. I need to sleep. Thank you so much for your questions. Hope we've answered a lot. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.
Bye bye.
Bye.